selfie TV. No cassette, no CD, no DVD. Let me tell you one misconception about me. When people see with my camera, they think I'm a video man. I'm not a video man, I do selfie of myself and people who I rate. Alright? So don't think I'm an average cameraman. I'm selfie, TV, Mr. Selfie, the selfie boss, alright?
Selfie TV. Alright, cannot be selfie TV. We are watch.